today we are going to do some bash string operations. Rather, I'll say some operations on strings in shell or bash. First thing, what we will be doing, we'll be having one full length string and we will try to find a substring inside that. This will be very useful in many use cases in our today's DevOps worlds or Linux world. So I have opened my shell prompt. So let me create a variable. So that is my main var, which will contain, so for example, I'm giving some text. This is my text value or string, and maybe I want to find, so this is my another variable which is called substr, and maybe I want to find text. So now I have two variables ready in my bash. What I can do, if echo then $main var, so let me just quote it around so that it is treated as text, though it is a text, then grep -q, then what I want to find, that is substr. So that's it. And what it is saying, echo, I'm getting the value of the main variable which contains the value or the main string. Then I'm using grep, which is a shell or bash command to find anything. Then I'm querying my substring, and what is my substring, which is text or some partial value which I want to find. Then this is my if condition. Maybe I will echo something, found. So I'm saying if the if condition is true, that means the substring is found in the main variable, then I'm going to print this. Else I'm saying echo cannot find the sub, something like that. I need to close the if. So this is my value, found text in some text. Obviously the text is a part of main string variable which I am using, which is main var. So this is our example number 1. Maybe I update substr equals to, maybe I update my substring variable, something like that, and I want to find this value whether it is present in the main variable or not. So let's do that. So this is my if condition which I used. So let's run it again. Now you will see cannot find the substring in main string because obviously the txt1 is not present in some text. So this was our example number 1. So what was our main variable? Some text. Now we want to do another example on string. Maybe I want to make a substring out of this main string. Maybe I want to get text only, text, from this string. And we will be using positional values. That means a starting position and how many characters I want to pick. Then I can create another variable out of that, which I can later use in my programming. So let's do that. Let me create a variable which is called, so get substr, something like that. Let me open $main var. Inside that I need to put 2 colons. After the first colon, what I will do, I will give the position where I want to start from. So it will start from 0 by default. The first character is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and t starts from 5. So let me put 5 now. And I want to pick how many characters? 4 characters, that is text. So that is the count, not the position. The end will be always the number of characters that I want to get. So I've ran it. Let me print it. So you'll see the variable got this value, text. So maybe instead of 4 characters, if I pick 3 characters, let's see what it does. And echo again. As you see, text. So it has got only 3 characters from the main variable. Let me change this again. So let me start it from 0 and maybe I want to get some. So that means 4 characters. Echo again. Now you see I got the text or the substring which I wanted. This was our example number 2. And third example will be, we will be replacing a set of character or maybe a character, and I want to replace with something else. And what was our main variable? That was some text. And maybe I want to replace this hyphen with a dot. So let me create another variable, maybe replacement variable rp var, something like that. And again start with a dollar, curly braces. I need the main var and I need to put something, double slash, and what character I need to replace. That means this is the existing character in my text or string, and I want to replace that with dot. So it looks like find double slash this character, which is hyphen, and replace that with dot. That is after a single forward slash. Now this variable is ready. Let me echo it. So now you see I have got a new value which is some dot text instead of the hyphen. So similarly in our programming languages, wherever we are using shell scripting or bash, we can replace our string accordingly. So this will be very handy in many use cases. Thanks for watching and see you in some next amazing videos.